So listen, I love AI and I do lots of videos talking about it, but sometimes some certain tools don't cut it for certain projects. So today I'm sharing with you my top 5 ways you should not use Invideo AI if you want clean and professional videos. So I've been using Invideo for a while now, and although I've seen lots of videos online how Invideo is great, when I started to edit myself, I came across a lot of issues that people kind of don't talk about. How it works is you put in a prompt in Invideo and then it will create a video for you, which is great. You're saving lots of time. It's put music underneath, a narrator's voice, subtitles if you want it, and you know it's polished within a few minutes. And then you can still keep entering prompts when the video is made until you're happy with it. You know, change this clip, you know, add this audio file, add this music, or you can click on the edit function and do yourself. You can edit the script, add your own music, you can change the audio. There are some buttons as well where you can fade in and fade out, etc. So mistake number 1 from me is don't solely rely on stock images. So how it works is, as I mentioned before, you pop in a prompt, in Invideo it creates a video, but what happens is from that video that it does make, it does tend to use several stock images. So it means if you then want to export that video, you will then be charged for stock credits. If you want to use the text to video feature, generative AI to create specific shots, you will also be charged credits for every single edit that you do. So there are a couple of ways you can get around this. Use your own imagery. So obviously go elsewhere, upload it. Be careful with that though, just because sometimes some quality issues happen when you do upload to Invideo. Not sure why that is, to be honest. So what you can do is you can click upload and you can start uploading your shots. Obviously that takes a bit more time. And to be honest, if you are editing videos yourself on other softwares, that's basically what you would do anyway. Get your own stock footage from elsewhere, but it's just a little bit annoying to have to go to external sites to do this. What I would suggest is just chopping the clips before you do it. There is an edit function that allows you to trim the clip, but generally I think it's quicker to just do it somewhere else. So mistake number 2, assuming AI will sync everything when you do an edit. So I had issues in the past where the video's narrator's voice does not sync with the subtitles, or the clip doesn't go with what they're saying. So that was causing issues that if you do go into the video at a later date and realize I need to edit the script, which happens on an edit, you then may find that the narrator's voice is not syncing with subtitles if you're using them. So be cautious that when you make an edit, always check the full video, which again is kind of time consuming. Whereas if you're just editing on video software, you can just make that edit without having to affect the whole video because you know it's in the same place. Whereas AI just decides how it wants to work. Ways to get around this, I would say manually edit the script, don't put it into AI because sometimes it might not understand you. What I would suggest is sort your script out first and hope that you don't need to go in later. You know, the syncing issue may not be an issue for you. If you've not got a very long video or you don't even need subtitles, it may be fine, but it's something to be wary of basically. Mistake number 3, you can't duplicate projects easily. So as of now, maybe in the future, there's no feature I can currently see that allows you to duplicate projects. So let's say you've done one project in a certain style with a narrator's voice you like, the music's great, you've even put like a branded logo, the start, the finish, and you know, you want to be consistent with your brand, you can't just duplicate. So, you know, for example, on Invideo, you have history, which is basically your project. You can't just click, oh, duplicate. So it means you're actually taking more time to be consistent with your brand. You can make one great video, but then if you want to be consistent, you need to use the same uploads, the colors, the prompts. So you need to make sure you're taking notes of all of the prompts that you're using so that you can do it again. A few ways that you can get around this, obviously have your own stuff uploaded already on the computer. It will also have your previous uploads. So if you want to use the same shots, you can. And what you can do as well is if you want to use, for example, the narrator's voice again in a second video, you can put in as a prompt, can you please use the narrator's voice from this video with the URL link? So get the URL link from the other video, and then usually the prompt will then change the voice. So that's quite clever, easy to just copy the narrator's voice over, do you know what I mean? The AI assistant kind of just works when it feels like it. So sometimes it may be your friend that day, the next it's not. So sometimes prompts will work, but sometimes it will have a little error message, which is not my friend. A couple of ways you can get around this. You know, if you are having some issues, obviously you can report it. The customer service team is really, really good. So I would recommend reaching out to them, watching their training videos as well. But just expect to revise a lot, not just a quick prompt video, we're good. Obviously, if you're lucky that it all just works out, that's great, but it really is just how AI responds that day. So mistake number 5 is thinking that AI can just kind of replace all editing skills. So if you use AI to generate shots for you throughout the whole video, it's really beautifully made, but you'll charge full credits if you want to go in and edit it. So you can do some beautiful storytelling within Invideo, but you lack things such as editing the video if you do want to edit it, if you want consistent pacing, if you have sections, you may have black screens, so you need to work with the AI to fix that. If you do want color grading your shots to be consistently the same throughout, you don't have an option for that as well. If you just want to move an audio file at the bottom easily, there's not much of an option there. But something really, really exciting that I think you should experiment that I've just seen come up on InVideo, they do have a timeline option, which means you can now go in to the edit and drag and drop video files, audio files, which helps a lot, especially if you have syncing issues or just want to move files across. But if you are looking for more of that editing experience, this new add-on I think is going to make a difference. So I'm excited to explore that one myself. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you've experienced any of the same as me. Really good to hear from you, how you've got on with it so far. So the question is InVideo useless or can people use it? Definitely people can use it. It's great for saving time if you want a short, quick video, less than 5 minutes, social media or quick clips. There's great options to add transitions, preset, image to text, image to video, cut clips, add narration, audio files, music, but anything over kind of the 5-minute mark even, it can become a little bit limiting, I would say. So definitely use it, play around. If you're open to using all generative AI, it can do a lot for you. It just depends how much editing you need to do. And with the credits, it really does add up. So if you make one edit, 3 credits, you know, you've all of a sudden got a bill for $100. So you just need to be really careful. So I really hope you guys found value from this video, sharing my experience with InVideo. If you did like this video, do give me a like. Let me know what you guys think in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you guys. Have a good one.